in every way, designing a interior, so a room in SketchUp, or it could be part of a shop, is interior design. Now, this video is not about interior design, but just bear in mind that you have to do a design process, which we covered in lectures. These videos are more about skills. They're not about the design process, but to arrive at a design for your room, it is a process. So the skills we're talking about is colour and thinking about it. Now, you might want to do your room in a certain colour scheme. Now, the way to do that is as follows. I'm going to take an image, which I previously used in lectures, which I took at Manchester Fashion Week, and we're going to deck this room out here in those colours. So here is a great website called Dobby Colour. If you just search Dobby Colour through Google, you will find it, but that's easy done. So what we do is we can create colour schemes with this. I'm not going to go into the full aspects of how you do all of this, but I'm going to show you a really quick and simple way. So, create from image. I've got an image right here, and this is an image I've used before, and it just will pick out a colour scheme for you as you like. So, do you want it bright, colourful, muted? It's kind of like a theme we want. So, you know, it could be this image is our main shot. So, I'm going to go for colourful, and you know, there it is. Save. Save would be going from something else, but go and click to colour wheel. Lets us see the actual colours. So this is our colour scheme we've created. So what I'm going to do now is zoom back to SketchUp, and I'm going to use these colours on the walls. And what we're looking at here are the hex values. So, because I can record one screen at a time, it's going to be a bit between, but we'll get through. Okay, so here we are in our building, and you can't see, but off screen I can see the colour schemes from before. So I'm going to use a paint bucket, and on the sliders, I'm going to type in the hex values. So the back wall I want to be a nice fuchsia colour. So here we go, that's the first hex value. There. The side walls are going to be quite light, so I'm going to choose this one. And I apologise that you can't see exactly what I'm seeing here on the other screen, but there we go. And the floor I'm going to choose to be quite dark. So other value. And there we are. So now that looks like an absolute explosion of colour, which might not be too bad, but if nothing else, you can see that back wall. So I'm going to finish this off by just really doing something. So there's the image, and I'm going to put it on the wall here. Okay, so you can do this in the better ways. You can apply things which are better looking, but this is going to be our thing. So what you can do is you can play around and go, does this look right? Does that floor look right? Maybe we should have a lighter back wall. So let's go for another one. That's kind of cool. Let's have a look at the floor. What about having a pink floor? Now, there are design rules or things to help with interior design, but we're going to cover that in a different video, or probably more likely in lectures. So that is very briefly how to do colour scheme with InDesign. Sorry, not even InDesign, with SketchUp.